So this is I just bought this boat, and compression was down on the other side. I'm gonna start with the good side. So the cylinder walls on that one are smooth. On this, it's got some grooves up in the top, so it probably hung the locating pin. But other than that, that doesn't look too bad. This side, totally different. So, as you can see, where it's been battered pretty good, I would say most of that came from the rings coming apart. And there's some pretty good grooves there. This is a piston right here. You can see where it's been eaten up. That's a pretty bad one right there. I still think that'd come out with a 30 max, maybe just a 20. That's good. And I don't feel anything really bad. It's scored. As you can see, things have been bouncing around, and yeah. Just parts and pieces. So anyway, it's a builder. And once again, that could have happened because the timing's jacked so far, and a couple other things we saw.